What's up everyone, Ace Motorsports bringing you guys a quick video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my Banshees. This is just a quick wash, nothing too detailed. But yeah guys, stay tuned. Let's give it a go.
And some of you guys commented on the comments that these bikes need to be washed. I agree 100%. It's just that some people have more time than others. Recently I've been really busy, but these bikes, when they're clean, especially this blue one, it really does shine. So let's get to it, guys. Let's go ahead and wash these Banshees. Let's go ahead and get a before. Let's get an after.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Like I said, this is going to be just a quick video just to provide some content of me washing two of the Banshees, which was the blue one and the 87. The 87 will be up for grabs real soon, so stay tuned for that guys. Thank you guys for watching as well. Thank you guys for support on the last video. It means the world to me. I will be uploading a video tomorrow, July 4th, of these bikes running and me taking them around the block and just using them around the block. And one of my neighbors asked me to slow it down a bit. So stay tuned for that, guys. Lots of Banshee content coming out. Like the video, subscribe. A lot more coming. Have a great rest of your night, guys. Peace.